Good morning, dear Dr. Ashwath. I bring in all the wishes and greetings from Speed Medical Institute on behalf of all the faculty members for scoring a topmost rank in any SS, CML rank number 2 for a renal transplant course in PGI Chandigarh.
Thank you, sir.
Now, we want to know something from Dr. Ashwath. Where he studied his medicine from and where he's coming from. Can you give a brief on that?
Yes, sir. So I was born and brought up in Bangalore, sir. Then I did my undergraduate in Adi Chinchinagiri Institute of Medical Science and my postgraduate general surgery in Bangalore Medical College, sir.
Okay.
And after that, I had to do 1 year of bond, sir, which I did it in Mysore Medical College.
Okay.
So during that time, I had joined Speed, sir. That would be last September.
Okay.
So I was preparing for urology, sir.
Okay.
So yes, sir, I've been attending all the general surgery classes every day without miss. I think I've missed only 5 classes till date. All the evening classes. That's a routine for me, sir.
Okay.
Attend the classes in the evening. And apart from that, yes, sir, so I was preparing for urology and my interest headed towards transplantation. During that one class, you had told about your experience with cardiac transplants. During our integrated course, you had told about that one experience. So then I thought, anyways, I was going towards transplant. So I found this direct course and it had, there were only 2 seats in PGI Chandigarh. So I thought, why not give it a try? Anyways, urology, I've been given like 3 tries till now. Yes, sir. So that's how I decided to give renal transplant as an option, sir.
Excellent. Now, can I know from Dr. Ashwath, was he preparing for full time? I mean, working some time? I mean, what is the number of hours he prepared?
So I had to work every day, sir. I was doing my SR shift as a bond. So every evening I would come back by 4 and then start by 5:30 or 6. That would just give me a small window before the classes start. So that time I was preparing for a specialty, sir, and then general surgery at night. So it was not a fixed schedule, sir, until September. Until September, it was just this September. So until a few months back, it was on and off, sir. I couldn't focus 100% just on studies.
Okay. And what was the preparation strategy? What were you prepared? How have you been doing the revision strategy?
So revision strategy, I had finished a specialty by say, I think October. Since then, I've been doing general surgery, sir. And they had changed the pattern in between, so the general surgery. So that gave me a boost with general surgery. I had started preparing for general surgery. And then once this exam came and I decided to take renal transplant, I was just reading transplant related stuff from Sabiston from your classes, and I read a bit of medical stuff for the transplant related stuff from medicine notes, sir.
Okay. So now, how many questions did you attend?
So I had only left five questions, sir.
So you have been 75 questions. You are attending 75 questions in total, correct?
Yes, sir.
Excellent. So now, what do you want to advise your juniors for preparing for NESS?
So INISS, the general surgery part from Speed App, sir, mainly integrated aspects, sir, because they ask very few questions from Bailey and Love. More questions are from Sabiston, sir, and some recent recent advances questions. So the ones covered in the integrated part of the app was very helpful, sir. And the specialties would be again, yes, sir, the routine specialties, however they prepare. For example, urology,
Okay.
from Campbell and from the review would be sufficient, along with the notes from the Speed apps.
So were you able to go through all the videos in Speed app and did you complete once?
So general surgery, yes.
General surgery and urology?
Urology, not everything, so I couldn't go through the entire.
Okay. So were you giving your model test and grand test regularly? The NESS model exams?
Yes, sir. I actually missed a few, sir, but I've given a few, sir.
Okay. Okay. So I once again wish you all the very best and all the success. And and for you to get on to your career in renal transplant. And I really wish you all the best and all the success.
Thank you so much, sir.
And Happy New Year to you, a fabulous New Year to you, and to you, to your family and your friends.
Thank you so much, sir. Wish you this.
Thank you, doctor.